Form W-4P controls federal income tax withholding from your pension, IRA distributions, and other periodic retirement payments. Most retirees never fill one out and discover in April that they owe the IRS thousands. Here is how to fill it out correctly in 2026 and why the default withholding rule is almost always wrong for retirees. 3 withholding forms cover 3 different situations. W-4 is for W-2 paychecks. Submit to your employer. W-4P is for periodic retirement payments like a monthly pension or scheduled IRA distributions. Submit to the plan administrator. W-4R is for non-periodic or one-time distributions, like a lump sum IRA withdrawal or a 401k rollover. Different form, different rules. Don't mix them up. The default withholding trap. If you start a pension or IRA distribution and do not submit a W-4P, federal law forces your plan administrator to withhold as if you were married with 3 allowances, a rule that hasn't matched reality since the W-4 was redesigned in 2020. For most retirees, this means too little withholding, especially when combined with Social Security or other income. You discover the gap in April. Step 1 of W-4P is identification. Name, address, Social Security number, filing status. Married filing jointly uses the joint brackets. Single uses single brackets. Head of household applies only if you keep up a home for a qualifying person. Match what you'll file in April. Picking the wrong status throws off the withholding calculation by hundreds per month. Step 2 covers other pensions and your spouse's pension. If you have multiple pension pairs or your spouse also has retirement income, you check the box or use the worksheet to coordinate withholding. Same logic as the W-4 multiple jobs trap. Each pair assumes it is your only income and applies the standard deduction, which double counts when you have multiple sources. Step 4, C, is the dial for retirees. Whatever dollar amount you write here gets withheld from every periodic payment in addition to the formula amount. The most useful retirement strategy, calculate your annual tax bill, 1040 line 24 from last year is the anchor. Subtract Social Security withholding and any other withholding, divide by 12 if monthly pension payments, and write that on Step 4, C. Submitting. Each plan administrator wants their own W-4P. So if you have a corporate pension from a former employer and IRA distributions from Fidelity and a 401k drip from Vanguard, that is 3 separate W-4P forms, 1 to each. Most administrators accept email, fax, or upload via their portal. Confirm receipt and check your first payment after the change to confirm new withholding took effect. Recap. W-4P controls withholding on periodic retirement payments. The default married with 3 allowances underwithholds for most retirees. Fill out W-4P immediately when retirement payments start. Use Step 4, C, as the dial to match your real tax liability. File 1 per pair. Adjust each year as your income changes.